Hi! In front of me is Honor 20e, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this smartphone. Firstly, go into Tab menu. Now look for location icon and tap on it. As you can see, now it's gray. That means that location is disabled. You can enable it by clicking on the same icon. But you can also choose settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, scroll down again, choose location access, and turn on or off your location by tapping on the switcher next to access my location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!